A for apple. B for boy. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. I for ice. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.